This is how to export video with separate audio tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below. Simply put, let's say you have 2 video clips right here on the timeline.
Sir. Big Mac? Big Mac.
As you can see, we also have 2 separate audio tracks. It's quite simple. If you want to export this video with 1 audio track, you can go over to the left hand screen and click here. See how it only plays this, or vice versa. If you want, you can drag the audio track to the right of the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro and then create an in point and an out point and then export the video. As you can see, this will bring up the export settings, and make sure export video and audio is checked. So you will be exporting this video with this audio track, and click on Q or export. And then it's quite simple. If you want to export the same thing or do the exact same thing here, move your audio track to the right, move the other audio track to the left, and then create the endpoint where you would like to only export this video.